Or actually, never mind. I'm gonna just keep going. I'm gonna keep going because I want to. All right. All right. Let's keep going. Let's see what's in here. Serena Beach. Serena Beach. Don't tell me the freaking Manta Ray came back again. I have 3 minutes to clean this up? Screw you. Shouldn't be timing me. How do I do this quickly, Alex?
Just jump, spin, and spray.
That's
what
it?
I would do.
Okay. Just do trick jumps, got it. Trick jumps are the answer. Now, does it have to be precisely clean, or...
Not precisely.
Okay, good, because I don't got time for that right now. I don't feel like doing that. Well, I failed to do it in 1 minute, so whatever, I guess. I'm sorry that you got electrocuted. What part of the... Red coin! I mean, blue coin. Will, like, let me know, like, the thing? Or do I have to go talk to him once I'm done?
Pretty sure the timer will start. I mean, the timer will stop.
Okay, what is there left? What is there left? Help! Help! Oh, there. Of course there. Right? That was it, right? Are you kidding me right now? There can't be more. Don't tell me I lost a life. Okay, good. Because I was like, that's bullcrap. Okay, hold on, let me take a look at this area one more time. Okay, I think I got it now. Apparently I do have to be precise about it, I guess. Frick you. I feel sorry for these two. Hold on. I don't know what these two have to say. Thanks for your cooperation. Now for more scrubbing. Oh wow, you're right. It wasn't precise. Who thought of this as a mission? Really, we have really thick souls, so electric is no big. That's cold. There you go. For giving me a time limit, you stupid. Freaking time limit. Alright, let's see. Shadow Mars not going to check in. Thank you very much. No, he's going to be in the whole time. Get back here. Get back here. Oh, I hate... Jerk. Get back here. Where you at? He's gonna try to give me fake ones. Bye. Where the heck? Where's the real one at? Oh, sick. Alright, I swear, every time I do this mission, I get hit by him at least once. It's stupid. Stop it, you jerk. Hate the camera angle. Nope, seeing through your tricks now. You need to stop it. Stop it. Get back here. Where the heck did you go? Freaking son of a...
Lord, you're so annoying!
Alright, anyways. That was annoying. You're annoying, Bowser Jr. Right. Oh, this one's not gonna be annoying. Okay, so... Okay. 1... 2...
I think the only way to get to that room is to go through the attic.
Okay, let's see here. Can you, like... Okay, there we go. Okay. That floor is wonky. Anyways. Come on.
By the way, I think you can enter the pool area by just the door. Like you don't need to like use a secret entrance. You could just open the pool door.
Yeah, but it was faster though. For me at least. Because like then I could just do that, and then... Because
Okay.
I was going through the other way, you remember? The one
Uh-huh.
with the blue room? But it was just faster, so that's why I went through that entrance. Because there was red coins in that room. So I was like, okay, well the fastest way from point A to point B was through there. So I just decided to go that way and made that a route. So then now I'm going here. And then...
You know, spray the
I
spray. No,
guess...
don't. No.
Okay, I'll go back that way. I'll go back that way. I'll go back that way.
Okay, okay.
Because something, yeah. No, I'll go back that way. I'll go back that way. Because I think there's something important in there. All right, come on. Okay, can we get this under 2 minutes? Okay, let's see. All right, let's see. Where's the freaking room at? Okay, so let's go. I'll go back to that room for you. Okay, so let's see. So this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this one. Okay.
And spray that
Then you want me to
painting.
spray this?
Or spray the poster. No, in the other room, in the back room. Like go back.
Okay.
There's a poster. Spray that.
Are you... What? No f***ing way! Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? What? What? Alright, well, I only
mean,
got those red coins. I just...
I mean,
That was a mystery.
the pineapple room was really distracting. There was like, I mean that room by itself has like 4 different entrances, so
And we
you
did it
probably
in under
wouldn't
2
think.
minutes. Okay, Ah, come on! I had that one. I had that. I'm
Did.
going for it. I'm going for it again. I had that freaking red coin. Come on. I know you want to work. Stop it. Stop playing around, Mario, please. Ha! Got it. Told you. Let's go. Let's go. Pogger City, here we come. Alright, Okay, I know where that goes. Ha! Look at that. Look at that. 2 blue coins. All right. Now we can go back down.
All right.
All right. Where's the shine at? Okay, here. Cool. All right. Now for the real red coin missions, and then we're done.
Now, which one's faster, the Yoshi one or the red coin one?
Shoot, I would say the red coin one was faster. Still. That only took like 20 minutes.
Like the level of getting lost.
Oh, getting lost? Oh, I definitely got lost. Like, more in that. Oh, okay, hold on. Let me see here. I think it's this one, right? With the red coins? Yeah, I'm going to go with this one. Hold on. I'll just take the L next time. I mean, it saved me a little bit. So the last three, is there any under there? There isn't. Sneaky little one. Don't tell me that's how much time I have left. Oh my gosh. Okay, okay. Ha! Ha! Suck it! Suck it, game. Suck it. I'm sorry.
Oh
don't
my
say
God.
don't say that too soon. I'm not gonna say that too soon. Until I get the shine. Okay, there you go. I can say it.
That was pretty insane.
I'm sorry. I'm just really salty right now with how the game is played, with the input lag and whatever. With like when I press jump, it doesn't input the jump button, but like when I don't do anything, it does some crazy shenanigan trick Mario does. I'm just like, Mario, please, I don't need you to play around. It's like that. Come on. Like, I didn't do anything, and he just did that. Okay, anyways, is it this one? I think it's this one. I think it's that one, right? Is this one? Please tell me it's this one.
Mm,
It is?
maybe.
Maybe? I need to know which shine mission it is, my guy. I don't remember. Okay, anyways, let's get through this before 4:30. Okay, we'll have time. We'll have time. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Mario, display, please. And I'm telling you, I'm gonna come in a second. If you just let me. Oh, that's. Okay. Yes!
This
Okay,
part is
sorry.
nasty.
Wait, what?
This part is nasty.
Oh, yeah. Good thing I dealt with it, though. Let's just see what I get. There is this method where you could just keep spraying until you get the freaking picture. Or get a majority of it. I'll take that. Okay. No, well, we're gonna just... Nothing happened. It's just bull crap that happened. Okay, Mario, no glitches, please. Or not really, just glitches. Just no jankiness, please. I mean, it's funny and all, but come on. Not right now. Not right now. Right now it's not the best time. Oh my. I'm sorry, Mark. Oh my gosh. All right, Mario. I'm gonna be more careful this time for you. Okay, well, let's not do this game. Okay, one up time. This is I'm redeeming it. I'm redeeming it myself. Okay, give me that, please. And I don't care. It's worth the risk. I'm sorry. It's worth the risk. I need it.
I need it!
Okay, now let's see where those blocks go. Okay, cool beans. Nope. Let's. Do. Okay, that's fine. Ha, because I have flood. So everyone said I couldn't make it. Oh, I have to still do this, don't I? Oh, this is bull. This is absolute bull. This is absolute bull crap. Wow. Okay, what's a quick red what was that red coin mission with the poison water? Do you know where it is?
I can't remember.
Can't remember. Okay, Alex Chid, that's fine. I just need a quick mission. Maybe it's that one. Or maybe it's the boat one, right? Is it the boat? I can't remember exactly.
I don't know if there were so many.
Why are those two fighting? I'm telling you, the tree on my head is way taller than yours. You're crazy. My tree is much bigger. My leaves are nicer too. He's a bit taller. I'm sorry, buddy. But your trees do look nicer though. What do you want, Toad?
Horrible! Princess Peach has been...
Okay. Listen, buddy. We'll get him eventually. Ooh, I wonder what's in there. Hold on. Actually? Should we save that for another episode? No, you know what? I'm gonna get it right now. I'll get it right now. By the way, Alex, shit, this is probably the home stretch of it. One last star, we're calling it, I think. Or I mean, Shine Sprite. Okay, anyways. Oof. Alright, now it's time to go back. All right, let's see here. So anything? Actually, I don't even know. What do we talk about at this point? Wow, everyone said this course was hard. Maybe they're lying. Maybe they just don't have the right nozzle. Maybe that's probably the problem. I was expecting a really hard course when I looked at it. I'm like, oh crap, it's this one. Then I looked at it, and I'm like, it doesn't even look that bad. It's not even that bad when I did it. Alright, well I guess we'll call it here then. I was expecting something like that would take a very, very long time. So, oh man. I mean, this is a good place to end, right? We got 64 shines, 64 blue coins. I mean, what more could we ask for, right? Maybe I'll have 64 one-ups by the end of this. Who knows? Yeah, I mean, if you want to, you could cover another recording session, but you don't have to. I was kind of hoping Oof would have been here longer, but I don't know.
I definitely can't like keep my social energy up for like over 5 hours.
Wait, that's how long it's been?
Yeah, it's been 5 hours.
Holy crap! I hope we were recording this time, because that would suck.
I think it's really impressive that you can commentate for that long, because I could never. I would get so like exhausted from talking.
Hey, Alex Shid?
Hmm?
Was the Elgato audio on this whole time, or?
Well, I didn't hear it, but I saw that the audio mixer did have game audio.
Okay, thank God. I was gonna.
Or like on the Elgato, I see the bars moving, so that means that there is audio.
I was so. Dude, I'm not even kidding. I was gonna be like, what the.
You're gonna like.
I would have been like, what the. For real. And then it would.
Well, what you made? Well, what made you think that it wasn't or something?
Because for a second there, I didn't see the audio go up
Oh,
at all. So I was like, and then
don't worry. It was. I saw like that green like the entire time. I was like staring at it the entire time.
oh my gosh. Oh man. Because I remember, oh man. See, so what happened was this one thing with like when I was doing my own other recording session, right? So
Mhm.
so the first time like when the power went out and everything, like the audio and everything, that was all saved. It was all good. But then from there, I thought, okay, like I didn't think to like save or anything to like copy anything. So I decided to just leave it. And then so when I went on from that point, what basically happened was the
I do not know if he'll keep this in or even look at this footage, but remember to subscribe and like the video, share favorite, ring the bell, even though you can't favorite anymore. But show him some love by commenting down below and share some feedback.